Once upon a time, a beautiful little town, snuggled in the Western Ghats, was presented as dowry to the younger daughter of a tribal chief. Located at a height of 1040 meters, this town boasts of pristine views, verdant valleys, and the misty aromas of coffee in the air. Meandering streams, rain droplets forming ripples on the water, cascading waterfalls, and the dense clouds kissing the mist-clad peaks. The town is indeed paradise. This is Chikmagalur, the land of coffee, hills, and magical rains. Coffee was first brought to India by a revered Sufi saint, Baba Budan, in the 16th century. He went on a pilgrimage to Mecca where he discovered coffee. He loved the drink so much that he wanted to bring its beans back home. It is believed that Baba Budan smuggled 7 seeds of coffee in his beard and planted them at Chikmagalur. One by one, as the berries ripened, the aroma created a whimsical madness in the forest, and there came the strongest brew found in all of India. Today, Chikmagalur is known as the land of coffee and is renowned for its dense coffee estates. Hiking through the natural beauty of Chikmagalur is one of the most sought after experiences among nature lovers. Located in the Baba Budangiri range, Mulayangiri is the highest peak in Karnataka at 1900 meters above sea level. The peak gets its name from a small temple at its summit. Mulayangiri is famous for its serene ambience, panoramic views, and an accessible hiking trail. There is also a Shiva temple which adds to its serene beauty. At a distance of 12 kilometers from the Mulayangiri Peak, the Jhari Falls is a beautiful waterfall situated near Attigundi. Also known as Buttermilk Waterfalls owing to its appearance, the Jhari Falls is a surreal spot for those who are awed by nature's virgin beauty. Pristine white water tumbles down the natural step-like rocky structures from a height of over 200 feet. Located 30 minutes away from Jhari Falls, you will find a splendid location where the clear waters meet the colors of the azure skies. Hirekolale Lake is a beautiful artificial lake that was built as a source of drinking water for Chikmagalur. The misty hills, the reflection of the greenery on this lake, and the clear skies, everything at this site is ideal for an impromptu picnic. Devaramane, a hidden gem of Chikmagalur, translates to God's home in Kannada. A picturesque attraction tucked in the Shola forest, Devaramane is a natural delight in the lap of the Charmadi Ghats. The trek to the peak takes you through grasslands, streams, and views of playful waterfalls. Besides its stunning landscape, Chikmagalur is also famous for its local delicacies. One of the oldest surviving cuisines in the state, the Malnad food, is the local specialty here. The cuisine is heavily influenced by a variety of wild fruits and vegetables from the rich forests of the Western Ghats. Patrode, Hesarbele carrot kosambari, Uli avlakki, pumpkin idli, and butter dumplings are some of the scrumptious local cuisines that will surely delight your taste buds with a myriad of earthy flavors. Thank you for watching. Hope this video helps you plan your itinerary to Chikmagalur. Subscribe to our channel by hitting the bell icon and never miss a video.